Hello friends, welcome to Garden Addicted. Today I'm going to show you some of my homemade pots. Now let's start the video. This is the first pot that I want to show you. This is made up from waste tiles and sand and cement. Now you can see how beautifully it's looking. Now this is a variety of coleus plant that I have planted. It's doing well in this pot. Now this is the next pot, and I have planted a cactus, and this is doing very well in this pot. And I have made some design. Now my next pot is this one. I tried the emoji, but it's not so well. This is made up from white cement, only white cement. And this is a dump can. Now another pot is this one. Look at this beautiful tiny pot. How beautiful it is. Now this one is another pot, but different design. And another pot that I have made is this one. I have done some different design. This is purple heart. And another pot, same size, but I have planted here some devil's backbone. They are doing well. My next pot is tiles mosaic pot that I have made from waste tiles and doing some acrylic color paint. And this is, this is lucky bamboo, and it's looking beautiful. All pots are homemade. My next pot is this one. This is variegated boat lily. These designs are made from acrylic color. This plant is doing well in this pot. Same pot but different design. This is the same size pot that I have shown earlier, but designs is different. This is purple heart. My another homemade pot is this one. I have done some acrylic color. Everyone know this plant is Song of India. My next pot is this one. This pot is made up from waste tiles and cement and sand. I have planted a money plant. Look at this plant, how beautifully it's going. This plant is very happy in this pot. My next homemade pot is this one. This is boat lily, green variety, and some design have been done in this pot with acrylic color. Look at this plant, how beautifully it's growing. It's almost full. My next homemade pot is this one. It will be very easy to grow bonsai in this pot because this is shallow and there are drainage hole also. But as I don't have bonsai, I have planted some spider plant, but this spider plant is not doing well because of the shallowness of the pot. This is heart shape, as you can see, heart shape, made up from waste tiles, cement and sand. All the pots that I have shown you in this video, all are homemade, and if you want to know how to make these pots, then you can comment in my comment section and I will upload the videos one by one. And you can also make these pots. These are very easy. I will make the procedure how to make it, and you can also make this pot in your home from waste material, from tiles, cement or sand. Thank you.